Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we'll discuss about internal, inline and external CSS, like how to give inline CSS and external CSS and internal CSS. So first of all, we will have to create a folder. We will create a folder. So folder name is different different styles. Yeah, different styles. So in this folder, I'll create a file. So which is external CSS dot HTML, right? Yeah. So we have created a different styles folder, and in this we have created a file called external CSS dot HTML. So here I'll perform HTML file. Then you will get the basic structure of the HTML. And here we are having the title, right? So write the title explaining external external CSS. And here, so here I'll write some v tag, some words, hello world, and I will write h1 tag, welcome to the classes of the cascade style sheets. So we have got the h1 tag, welcome to the classes of cascading style sheets, and we are having the p tag, hello world. P tag, hello world. So here I want to give styles to the h1 and the p tag, h1 and the p tag. So, but I want to give it in the external CSS. So external means you have to create a new file. So where you have to write the styles, and that file you have to import here in this code. You have to import in this code. How? So for that we will use link tag. Link tag. Just write link here. Then you will be getting this thing. Just click on it. Then you will get the structure of the link. So REL means relation. So it is a style sheet. And if you want to give the link, then you have to give link here. So now I will create a external styles dot CSS. So it is a CSS files now. So it is a CSS file now. So here you have to, like, you can give the styles. So what is the tags are there? So we are having the tags. We are having the tags h1 and the p tag, h1 and the p tag. So just write the link. So just click on it and copy path and just give the link here. So the path here. Then you will get the path. Then you will get the path. So I hope you understand. So we have included the path here in the h reference. So now you have to implement the styles. So we are having the two tags, h1 tag and the p tag. So for the h1 tag, we have to specify like this, and the color is the color is the color is let's take brown, and the font size is 200 pixels, 200 pixels, and we are having p tag also. The same thing will be implemented. The color is red, and the font size is 500 pixels, 500 pixels. So let's save it, and click on F5 and click on Chrome here. See, we got the output. And we are having the pixel is very large. The pixel is very large, right? So let's decrease it to 50 pixels, 50 pixels, and save it. And here refresh it. Then we got the reduced size. But the hello world is very bigger, right? So decrease that also. You want 50 pixels and refresh it. Then we got the styles. So in this way, we can do the external CSS. We can do the external CSS. So likewise, we'll be having internal CSS also. So for the internal CSS, what you have to do, like you have to implement these styles. Just create another file, new file, which is internal CSS.html, and type HTML5 here. And in the internal CSS, you will be having the style tag. In the head tag, you have to implement it. And here you have to specify the styles. Here you have to specify the styles. That's it. And in the external tags, we have written some p tag and h1 tag, right? That you have to write in the body tag. That's it. So in this way, we can do the internal CSS. And click on F5. So just close this thing and click on F5 and click on Google Chrome. Then we'll get the internal CSS. See here, internal CSS. It is internal CSS. And likewise, we'll be having inline CSS.html. So for this, what you have to do is you have to get the basic structure of HTML, and in the body we have copy paste the h1 and p tag content, and here you can write the style here, and here you can specify the color, like just copy paste here. Okay, the color is uh, like brown, and font size. So you have to specify the font size, which is large. So the same thing you have to apply to the p tag also. The same thing will be applied to the p tag also. So we got an error. So which is you have to specify the double quotes here. Just click on save and go to the click on F5. Just run it. See, we got the styles. It is a inline CSS. So in this way, we can implement the styles in external, internal, and inline CSS. So I hope you understand. And if you have any doubts in external, inline, and internal, then please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.